What if I told you the sky's most violent moments were captured in stunning detail? This closes when 1,000,000 volts says hello. This lightning strike broke all the rules. Watch and hear nature's fury. This lightning strike at Greenway Road is insane.
Oh my god!
Three people, one lightning bolt, zero warning, all caught on CCTV. PM, the moment the sky exploded in broad daylight. Dashcam rolls, then lightning strikes right in front of the windshield.
Holy
Forget the game. This lightning strike became the main event.
2 bars left, dude. Oh, I got it!
You did it?
I got it!
Well, I just got it.
I got the first part.
The man was just cycling when lightning struck, and he heard it say, "Not today."
If it's not done in time, the tree.
Enjoying the rain from her balcony until lightning turned peace into pure terror.
When lightning strikes a tree, the only way to put out the fire is to cut it down. Otherwise, it could keep burning for days.
What do you want? So I'm thinking the camera's going to get the camera.
Morning calm shattered. Lightning strikes the house in broad daylight.
Sure.
The temperature near a lightning strike can reach up to 30,000 degrees Celsius.
Walking peacefully, then boom, lightning turns his umbrella into a death trap. Four people were injured when lightning struck steps from the White House. Lightning strikes, the yard catches fire. Rod Murphy escapes by inches, all on camera.
Oh my God! I'm at my house right now. I don't know what you guys have going on, but this is my house. And
Even the police station isn't safe. Lightning strikes right outside the Florida PD. Clean weather, pure power, monsoon lightning in all its electric glory.
Burning incense just to wish you well. Throw all my sins into
وينزل من السماء ماء فيحيي به الأرض بعد.
Lightning versus Burj Khalifa, the strike that made the ground shake and sky go dark. Triple threat. Slow-mo lightning so wild, you'll question your survival instincts. Lightning didn't just strike, it sparked a fire that changed everything. Umbrella Man versus Lightning. Round 2, spoiler, lightning always wins. Selfie attempt ruined by nature's deadliest surprise.
Recording live from the backyard.
Sound on. Horrific lightning strikes with the most bone-chilling thunderclap you'll ever hear.
Oh my god.
Something's up.
Jumping into the pool, lightning striking behind, he dodged death by milliseconds. Just waiting at a red light. Then, lightning struck it immediately after the car. Lake Dora went from peaceful bliss to electric terror. Lightning struck just yards from the boat.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa! Wow! Shit! Oh my god.
Я ж тебе труски.
On Monday, the rain came again. Oh my God.
Snorkelers fleeing a tropical storm pause for one quick selfie. Lightning strikes directly behind them. These are hands down the best lightning strikes ever caught on camera.
Wow, Matt, I think you left at the right time.
Whoa!
Double lightning strikes were so intense they completely overwhelmed the camera, just blinding light.
It's gonna rain. Oh my god. That is a pigeon?
I say we just go.
Probably not.
I don't know.
What's wrong?
The ultimate lightning compilation, every strike more breathtaking than the last.
Whoa! Get inside! Get inside! Holy
Mind-blowing, right? If you survive this electric journey, hit that subscribe button for more jaw-dropping nature videos. Like if lightning terrifies you, comment your craziest storm story, and share this with someone who needs to see it.